Introduction of Surah Al Fatihah. That is the opening chapter of the Quran, considering the most important and often recited surah in Islam. It is a beautiful prayer that sets the tone for the rest of the Quran and is recited in every unit of prayer rakat in Salah, Islamic prayer. Surah Al Fatihah in English translation. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Praise be to God, the Lord of the universe, the most gracious, the most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those who have received your grace, not the path of those who have incurred your wrath, nor of those who have gone astray. Amen.